You finish right now? And your arm, stuffy.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I don't know, your girl MelicaSkylife in the building. Yo! Eh? Go ahead. Guys, I'm on the farm today. I just got dressed. I have on my long sleeve, army, water boots. One thing. Want it, Batman again?
I'm not ready yet.
So these are the wieners. If you want to purchase pigs or wieners in large amounts, you can definitely hit me up on Instagram. I'm gonna start an Instagram page actually for the farm. This pig is a mother pig. This pig gave me 9 pigs. Alright? And these pigs are her children, basically. And then now I have, these are not wieners, these are actually Romeo? Oh, these are fatteners, which means we're feeding them now at a level to where we can sell and get a good amount of income from these pigs are great for like jerk man. If you have a restaurant, very good for that. When I have no mother pig in your sell, but if you want one mother pig to go breed, this would be where you get them from, right? The fatteners. So we have a portion of these. This pen is really big, but we are planning to part it off with an automatic feeder pan. The automatic feeder pan gives them continuous feeding, so that we won't have to come here and they are out of feed. Because with pigs, if you feed them continuous, to get the best results, according to the farmer man. Farmer man. Anyways, guys, the feeder pans are really expensive. If you want to donate to me again, my donation link is on my YouTube channel on the about page, or you can definitely hit me up on Instagram. I would really appreciate it because we want to expand the farm. One of the things that we really wanted to do was to cover the top, so we started that project, and I'm so happy about that because we're almost through, but we still have a lot more left to be covered. So if you want to donate to the farm again to see us grow in that capacity, I'm gonna send me some money for cover for a pig pen tap, man. Because even though pigs like water, when the sun comes out, the sun kind of like can catch up their skin. So they need catch up their skin, so it look like they have dandruff. That's the best way to explain it. So too much sun on the pigs are not good. So this is my Durap boy. I'm afraid I am, aka Frecky boy. He is the one who breeds the other pigs. So I'm the breeder man. Big. He's not standing now. I kind of feel like he's overweight too. I'm not telling you that. I'm good. So this is my other mother pig. Mix up. This is my other mother pig. This pig gave me 8 pigs. Piglets, actually. Romero, you my breed, I know? My God. And she's pregnant right now. And I have another 2 mother pigs down here. There are two other pigs down here. This one over there. This one over there is pregnant. And then I'm not sure if that one there pregnant. You know, look like him a breed. I'm gonna turn around the camera so you can see. This is the mother pig. This one is pregnant. So I have two pregnant pigs. This one is pregnant. Farmer man. That one doesn't look like him a breed. Nah breed. That one, him did take brand, but meaning he mate with Freaky Boy, but she don't look like she a breed. This one is pregnant. You can see her belly. And then now I have this one up here pregnant. Also that one over there, she had children. She had these children, but she's not ready to have any kids yet. So I have to give her more time. I have to go stand over. Alright, so with the pigs at different stage they get different feeding. So with these pigs, they're currently getting pig mash, cornmeal, and soy. Cornmeal and the soy have them drink a lot of water. Make them get big and so. Feed very expensive, so that's a gap in Jamaica. So if you're a Jamaican and you really want to make some good money, if you can produce feeding for like pigs and chickens, like you'll make a lot of money. You know that I'm always giving you guys business ideas, so that's a good business venture. So I'll be on the farm today. I'll be eating pineapple, I'll be drinking jelly, I'll be eating plums, and you guys will be seeing that. See you later. Oh, I want to show you inside the pig pen. I'm going to give you a tour of the pig pen because we have automatic pipes. So when they're thirsty, they actually can drink. So that's the automatic pipe. So they just suck right there and the water come out for them automatically.
Alright, let me show you how to do the dance. Dance. Jump, then you're gonna bend. Hey, come on. Did with the left leg, and then you boom. Ding. Solo low. Hit her with a low. Then you're gonna network. Then you give me the beat. Fatty reminisce, fatty no for baby. Fatty back street, fatty now no belly knee. Fat up fatty belly, so you know she belly big. Fatty get vexed cause she come see mama wig. Fatty don't kill me, kill she. Come on. DJ Jamsey.
So no إنا كتشعلك أنا love you more than my life أنا أحبك يا حبيبي نقبل مين لسانك ووجد عاشقيها بسبوس عاشق بسه ويدلعها بسبوسة بسبوس عاشق بسه ويدلعها بسبوسة يلحقها من بيت البيت ويقول أعطيني بوسة.
Guys, I'm back at the vehicle. I'm so tired, but just don't do a bunch of TikTok. I'm gonna insert the videos. Hopefully I don't get any copyright. So basically we did the dung pig pen the entire time. We're not gonna go over to the chickens because we actually have an employee, you know, so he took care of the chickens already. But even though we have him, we still like help out on the farm. Like we don't leave everything up to him, you know. So yeah, we just spend most of the time with the pig them today and stuff. I'm pretty hot, I'm pretty tired. I need to cool myself. If I don't get to come back, guys, thank you for stopping by my channel. If you're on here for the first time, please remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, turn on your post notification bell. I haven't got a chance to like post continuously because when you're a new mom, like it's hectic and I have work tomorrow. I start back work already and I still haven't given you guys the pregnancy and delivery story. I'm definitely gonna sit down and do the story. I'm gonna make notes on that because it's such a detailed thing and I want to make sure that I cover everything. Normally when I do my videos I speak from the top of my head, but I want to cover everything, so I'm gonna sit down and make the notes and do the videos so that I can at least add value to somebody that is pregnant, so that you can open your eyes, you probably can learn something Alright, something. One great news. I know you guys normally see me with a brace on my hand. I took off the brace just now because my hand is actually feeling better. I have been having carpal tunnel syndrome for the past 5 months. Not a good experience, not something that I wish on anybody. It's very uncomfortable, but I'm happy to say that the pain is going away. I'm happy about that. So yeah, that may I deal with now. Orange from the farm. This is sour.
Kind of already.
And it's so big and juicy. If you have problem, got bathroom. Boy, I know about everything. If you have problem going to the bathroom, the gut of this, eat the gut. It's very good for you. This is a arsenic orange. Enough fruits up on the farm. Orange, a lot of banana, coconut, tangerine, plum, breadfruit, a lot of things. Pineapple, pear. I need one piece of pear and bola today. Nice. Pear. What else there? What type of things? And they look so green. You know ready? White so. Eh? I'm gonna eat your 5 stick. Oh God. Oh dear.
It's sweet, oh.
I tell. Real Jamaican style. Sweet. What happened to the orange?
I can't hold it. That dog shit.
Damage.
I don't know.